Hello again, I'm Pietro and this is
T.P.K.
T.P.K. And we are here to do an unboxing of the
OnePlus Nord.
That's right, the OnePlus Nord. We're pretty excited because we're not fanboys of the OnePlus, but we really like OnePlus, right?
Yes.
We've had the OnePlus 6T. We've had the OnePlus McLaren, we've had the OnePlus 7T, the OnePlus 7 Pro, the OnePlus 8T, the OnePlus 8. What else? Did that cover all of them?
Yes.
Yeah, we really like the McLaren. So this is the Nord, this is the new budget phone, and this was on sale for $299 with earbuds, so with some headphones. So let's take a look. We'll change the camera angle to the overhead thing, and yeah, let's get to it. Here we go. Ready? All right, T.P.K, here goes nothing. You ready? We don't really need the tape. How's this little thing? So what do we say about sponsored videos?
We're honest gadget reviews.
Yeah, this is not a sponsored. T.P.K asks me almost every day, when will OnePlus sponsor you? And I don't know that answer. Ooh, nice brown box. So this was ordered directly from OnePlus, and I'll put the exact price up on the screen. So there's the bonus OnePlus Z white earbuds. Oh, yay! Came with a case. And the phone.
The phone itself.
The N10. What does N stand for?
Nord.
Nord, which is Italian for north. Okay, here, here, lean over here underneath the camera and you can open that. Do you want to open that? Here, you gotta keep it right there. Here, let me give you a head start.
My son likes to ask about video sponsorships.
Yes, you do.
Dad,
There we
is
go.
your video sponsored by OnePlus?
No, here, go ahead and open it. Go ahead and open it.
And the answer
Go
is
ahead,
no.
you do the rest. No, the answer is no. So by a sponsored video, meaning we bought this with our own money, and you got to keep it underneath the camera. We bought this with our own money, and OnePlus didn't send it to us. They don't care whether we unboxed or not. So now we get the fun part. Here we go. Ready? You want to lift it off real carefully? Ooh, I love that sound. And what do we have in here? Pamphlets and stuff. Should we see if there's a letter from Carl Pay? Who else would send us a letter?
Ryan Fenwick.
Ryan Fenwick, that's right. Quick start guide. And what do you always say about Ryan Fenwick?
He's the CEO. He's the head of corporate PI OnePlus.
And what else?
He is bald.
He is bald, that's right. He shaves his head. Oh, here's the fun part.
The phone.
The phone. Ooh, that is... What do you think of that?
Gray.
That is shiny. Has the fingerprint on the back. That's similar to the Google Pixel phone that I had, huh?
Pixel 4a.
Okay, you want to press the power button and turn it on?
Pixel 4a.
Yeah, Pixel 4a. So it should have vibrated just a second. Come on.
Does it have
There we
more
go.
charging?
We're about to find out.
Powered by Android.
Powered by Android.
OnePlus powered by Android.
So we have the red cable. Kind of a bummer that it's not this aqua blue that the Nord does. And power supply unit. What does that say on there? Does that say warp charging? Can you read that small font? What are the stats? Does it say the output?
I don't know.
That is really small font. We'll use my iPhone and we'll zoom in on the font. 60 hertz, etc., etc. For warp charge 30. So it's not warp charge 65 like the OnePlus. What was that last one I did? The OnePlus 8T. So it's not warp charge 65, but it is warp charge 30. Now keep in mind, this was only $400. Sorry, only $300. So this is a budget phone. But as far as the look and the feel, I'm kind of liking it, Paramount Kid. So we'll hit start. OnePlus terms and conditions. Sure, agree. I agree to the terms, yes. Connect to a mobile network, okay, we'll set that up. So it does have the camera bump. Not too bad. We can take off that sticker.
Do you have to return it?
Well, that depends. We might keep this and then sell it on eBay. What do you think of the design, T.P.K?
Great, because if you return too many things, you get blacklisted.
That's right. If you return too many things, you get blacklisted. As far as the design, you know, nice. It has a headphone jack. That's a selling point right there. Haven't seen one of those for quite a while. So,
are you going to return it to OnePlus or sell it?
I don't know yet. So we have recyclable packaging, nice SIM card ejector. Should we open up the OnePlus Z buds?
Yes.
Yeah, let's open these up. Do you want me to do it or do you want to do it? Okay.
What country was this from?
These were shipped out of Asia, so we'll just slowly.
China or India?
Somewhere in China, somewhere in Asia. That's where they were shipped from.
I was P. Lau could say Peter.
You want Pete Lau to say our names? So we have bass boost. What do you think of that, T.P.K?
Great.
Bass boost, 20 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistant, comfortable, and a cool design, and a seamless connection.
Are you affiliated with OnePlus?
No, I'm not affiliated with OnePlus. So here are the headphones. So they give these headphones to you for free if you do the pre-order. Huh. Those aren't too bad. I like the design. Magnetic. Well, let's set all this up. Oh, we forgot the free case. Now, when I ordered the OnePlus 8T, this did not come. It did not come with a free case. And this one did. The OnePlus Nord N10 5G bumper case. Or maybe I ordered this. I'll have to check. I can't remember, but I'll check. If this was not a free case, I'll put that in the description. They have a really cool case on the OnePlus website where it kind of has a computer circuit grid, and I really wanted that one, but they didn't have it. And I'll have to check. Other cases are affordable for this one. But for an OEM case, it's not bad. It's not slippery, but it's not too grippy. What are we thinking, T.P.K?
Great.
Is this a keeper? Should we keep it for a couple months and sell it? Or just keep it for 2 weeks and return it? We'll find out soon, eh? All right, well, that is the end of our unboxing video. Just an unboxing and first impressions. So we have the OnePlus N10 phone. And we also have the OnePlus Buds Z in white. What are our first impressions, T.P.K?
Good. Awesome.
Awesome. Are you thinking you want to try these with me and help me test them?
Yeah.
We can see how these sound with some classical music. What are your thoughts?
Great.
Yeah? All right. Well, that is all we have for today.
But that is the video sponsored by OnePlus?
No, this video is not sponsored by OnePlus, nor are we affiliated with OnePlus.
Or you were compensated by OnePlus for review for Gadget?
Correct. We were not compensated. There was no script. As you can see, this was just off the cuff video. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll follow up. I'll do a 1 week later and probably a 2 week later, something like that, or at least, yeah, we'll see. So the official name for this one is the OnePlus Nord N10 5G smartphone. So I'll compare the network speeds of this N10 5G with my other 5G phones, the one I'm filming on, the Samsung S20 FE, and then also this one, the Apple iPhone 12, all 5G phones. So there you have it. That's our unboxing. I'll clean this mess up before, we need to clean this up before Mom gets home, huh? Put all the tripods away. And if you have any comments or questions about the OnePlus or the Buds Z headphones, let us know. What else should we say, T.P.K?
Ci vediamo.
Ci vediamo. That's Italian for see you soon. Goodbye.
Ciao.
Ciao.
And the disclaimer.
Yeah. All right, audio filming test with T.P.K. Microphones on the table. How's that audio? Here, say something.
Great.
All right.